Hey, good afternoon. Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Want to do a video walkthrough on this new model Sea Ray 190 SPX Outboard. Has the Mercury 150, less than 15 hours on the boat. The owners are relocating. So they bought it earlier this year and they're putting it on the market and reselling before they leave town. Got a tow arch back here, nice sun pad. That's 2/3 of the little beam of the boat. This also lifts up. There's great storage. Take a look at the photos there. Stepping down into the cockpit, I've got index storage, and the vinyl flooring is snap-in. Feels great on the feet. Swim platform has glue-down sea deck. Upholstery's in good shape. It's into September and 91 degrees here, and this bim top shade is feeling great. Nice captain's chair, flip up bolster. Upholstery is really well done on this boat. Fusion stereo, Bluetooth ready, 13.11 hours. Some rad depth sounder, chart plotter, and your instrument gauges there. Got a nice glove box, fender pros in there, storage in this console. We got storage underneath both these seats, and then this boat has the optional bow seating. Y'all take a look at the photos there, but it turns this whole area. There's a cushion that goes in here, and then a cushion that snaps onto a backrest here that slides in with a filler board and turns this whole bow area into a nice sun pad. So we got flip-flop bench seat here. I've got it in the leaning post position or the aft facing position. It flips up, faces forward if you'd like it to. So sit like that. Got an ice box here. It's insulated. Plug it, ice it. So much storage on a 190 SPX, especially this new model. Has even more storage than its predecessor. It was also called the 190 SPX too, but when they redesigned this boat, they gave it the glove box and a lot of additional storage and that bow seating I was telling you about. Appreciate y'all taking the time to watch the video. Nice 2025 Sea Ray 190 SPX Outboard, still covered under the factory warranty. Owners are just relocating out of the area. Give us a call, 910-264-4818, 910-264-4818. Thanks.